Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I am in my garden. Everyone knows that it's a pumpkin flower. You can say that it's a squash flower, no problem. Today I am doing something with this flower. It's very tasty and very easy recipe. Please stay with us till end. Obviously it's a secret recipe from my family. So guys, let's watch. I cleaned all the flour and washed them. I took 2 eggs. You can take as much as you want. Adding salt, pepper, paprika, and at last garlic powder. It will make the taste very different. Now I am mixing very well. Adding all the flour and we'll mix again. In a pan, I took 1 tablespoon of olive oil. After making hot, I will add the egg. As you can see, I started rolling the egg. Now it's done. It can be a perfect breakfast for you. You can eat like this, or if you want, you can add bread, rice, whatever you want. But it's very healthy and very delicious, trust me. You can try it at home and please let me know in comment. Thank you so much for watching us. Who didn't subscribe my channel? Please subscribe it. Your subscription is really meant to us. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.